Hey everyone, I'm in Los Cristianos at the Paradise Park Hotel and I'm going to show you how to get to the Sunday market. Now it's quite an easy walk. I'm going to show you. It's down Cardiac Hill, so it's fairly easy, it's all downhill. Getting back, that's the hard bit, but here we go. So you come out the hotel and you just walk down this way. This is how you get to the market, and along the way there's a Pastorella shopping mall and the Mirage strip, so I'm going to show you that. It's a lovely day here, as always, absolutely boiling, and at the time of filming it's the middle of June. So here's the Pastorella mall. There's a couple of ways you can get to it. You can go up that way. And there's a supermarket, you can go in through the supermarket. See, here's the supermarket here. You can just go in that way. There's a cafe, burgers, pizza. You've got to love Tenerife, especially Los Cristianos. It's a lovely place to visit. I've travelled a lot of different places, but this is one that I really like. Been to the Canaries a few times. It's my second time in Los Cristianos. I've also did Lanzarote, and I've did a cruise around the Canaries, so I had quite a wee adventure. The life of a YouTuber. Now I didn't film all of these things, but it's only after the fact that I became a YouTuber, past year or so. So there's Chicago's, it's like a kind of sports bar. Up there there's Highland Paddy and Hoops Bar. Highland Paddy is closed for refurbishment just now. I was hoping it'd be open, but unfortunately it's not. That's the bar we went to the last time we were here, for the most part. I think it was just what was on. They seemed to have the things that we liked, me and my wife. So this is a Mirage strip. This is Bojangles. I don't know if that's shut or what. Is it closed for a couple of weeks, or I really don't know. Happy Days. That must be open, but let's see. It's afternoon, so there's only a few ones open. A Victoria Steakhouse restaurant. Get pizzas and pasta. Gift shop. Alright mate, how you doing? Not bad, my man. That's Dylan's bar. It's a good bar. Great wee gift shop. Taylor's bar. Taylor's Lounge, I should say. It's a sports bar.
Yeah, that bar.
And there's the Italian restaurant. Deli Delights Indian. Now that might seem Now that might seem that I've been a wee bit quick, just kind of rushed over the Mirage strip. Actually, I've done several videos going along there, so I didn't see the point in really going into much detail. So it's on the way to the market, and you might not see my other videos, so it's just a wee quick one. But if you have watched my other videos, thank you very much, it's very appreciated. It's what helps the channel grow. Just checking this road here. And then, just to show you, just in case you are planning your holiday and you're looking for different hotels and you don't want to go all the way up to Cardiac Hill, there's a couple of wee hotels over here. Where we're staying is Mary Sol Hotel, which is great because it's halfway up Cardiac Hill. So it's quite good when you're out and about and you come back, you get a wee break halfway up, which is worth it. Aye, so we're almost there, we're almost at the market. I say almost, we'll get a wee, but another 2 or 3 minutes we'll be there. But through the magic of editing, I'm sure it'll probably be a lot shorter because I've chopped wee bits out. It's a lovely day. And I have to say, Los Cristianos Market, and I have to say, Los Cristianos Market is actually a really good market. I really like it. I've been out filming just now, so I haven't been able to go in and have a look about yet. But I have been in it before, and it was really good. So last time I got all my spices and things, so I'll be going. I like to get there's a curry powder they get in the Canaries, and it's really nice. I can't remember the make of it, but I only had it once, and I thought, oh, I need to get more of that. So that's like top of my shopping list.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you, thank you. It's quite a busy wee bit here. So further down here is Charlie's Bar. So further down here is Charlie's Bar and restaurant. Good deals. Some good deals in there. The food's quite nice. It's a reasonable price. So I need to check that one out. And we're almost there. And Charlie's Bar does entertainment and stuff. So you see, I should also say this is the way to get to the waterfront. Just a straight road and you're there. Or more or less straight. Just round here in the corner, this is Charlie's Bar. So here we are, right in the corner, this is Charlie's Bar. Yeah, 3-course menu. Garlic bread, onion soup, vegetable cream soup, prawn cocktail, main course, sirloin steak, chicken breast, pork chops, roast chicken, curry. There's dessert, various cakes, ice cream, sherry trifle, and it costs you €14.95. I'm sure you'll agree that's a bargain. And you go get some of the entertainment they've got. Up there's the H10 Big Sur. Highly recommend that hotel. It's a bit pricey, but I thought it was really nice. And I know Jacqueline really liked it as well. So along here is Los Cristianos Market. So along here is Los Cristianos Market. So we're just coming down here, and this is Los Cristianos Market, just there. So we just come down here. And over here, this is Los Cristianos Market. Look at that. It's a fairly decent sized market, and you've got to check it out. And also, I'd just like to say thank you very much for watching, and please like, subscribe and share. It really helps the channel out, and check out all my other videos. I'm doing a whole series of Tenerife videos, Los Cristianos, Las Américas and Costa Adeje, so check them out. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.